Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I haven't done a makeup haul video in a while and I'm having a glass of wine and I just got some things from Sephora, so I thought I would kind of fuck around and tell you my thoughts and chat. Also, if you like these kind of videos, let me know in the comments and give this video a thumbs up so I know for the future. And also please subscribe before we get into it. So I picked up a few products from Sephora. It came in like one day. I was shocked. I got two blushes, the MAC Warm Soul, which is not remotely a new product at all, but I wanted to try it, and the RMS Pressed Blush. This is in Crushed Rose. This is pinker than I thought it would be. This is paler than I thought it would be. I have a little bit of blush on, but I thought I would just put one on each cheek as I'm going to be washing my face a bit later anyway. And you guys can see what they look like. Oh, fuck. I just put my nail into a compact, like a powder compact. God damn it. Okay, this is what I fucked up, by the way. Sorry. Let's do Warm Soul first. This is a Revlon blending brush because I need a blush brush. This is Warm Soul. This is so pretty. I love it. Now I know why everybody raves about it. Let's move on to the RMS blush. I'm going like quite heavy-handed so you can really see the product. That's actually a really pretty color. Very, very pretty color. And RMS is a clean beauty brand. FYI. Just blend this out a little bit because it's a little bit shocking. Even though I do love good blush. Because people might ask, yes, my eyebrows are microbladed. I have a video all about it. I will put that in the description box along with all the products. Some of the links are affiliate links, so I make a small amount of money if you guys buy something, but there's no pressure or I'm not like paid to do that. That's just a small way that I can make some extra money. Okay, next I got this new Flex highlighter from Milk Makeup. This is the color Lit, which is like a champagne color. This is Blitzed, which is rose gold. This one looks really glittery. So let's see. I'm just gonna put one on each cheek. Okay, I'm gonna put rose gold on this cheek. Oh my God, yeah. It's pretty, but it's so glittery. I'm again putting a lot on so it comes up on camera. It's so glittery. Why? No. The champagne looks less glittery, so let's try that. Yes, it's pretty. It's very pretty. This rose gold glitter doesn't pick up on camera, but there's like glitter. I hate that. The Flex highlighter in Lit is good. The Blitzed one, the rose gold one, is not. I also bought this Lilah B bronzer. It's called Be Sunkissed. Lilah B is also a clean beauty brand. I use some of their lip and cheek tints and I really like them. So I thought I would try this one. There's two different colors, so I guess I'll just like swirl them together. The only thing about Lilah B is that I don't really like their packaging. Like sometimes I find it hard to open. It's a little bit heavy and there's no mirror. So that's annoying. It's quite pretty. I mean, it's subtle. I know I already have blush on, but I'm gonna put some in my socket because I like to do that, and then I can see the color as well. It's maybe slightly orange. I like a good brown bronzer, like not muddy, but like brown, you know? So this is the darker one. I think that's what's making it a little bit orange. And then this is the lighter one, which is like almost my skin tone. So it's a good clean bronzer, clean beauty bronzer, but I'm still not going to give up my Marc Jacobs Omega Bronze. Oh my God, it's so good. I also got this eye cream. This is the Biossance Squalene and Marine Algae Eye Cream. I really like Biossance. I believe they're a clean brand. So this is the color. It's like kind of like pinky peach. It's a cream. They have a gel, but I like quite a moisturizing cream around my eyes, especially under makeup. Very faint smell, if anything. I don't know if it has any added fragrance, but I kind of doubt it. So I'm just gonna put some on. Sometimes I do this if my eyes are looking like creased and dry. Even with concealer, I'll put a little bit, just a little bit over top. And it kind of like moisturizes and mixes in with the concealer. And then if you need to, you can add a bit more concealer, but it just kind of like makes everything look better. I'm definitely gonna try this out like long term and let you guys know. Visibly firms and instantly smooths eye area. Okay, what else did I get? This is a newer brand to me. It's called Glow Recipe. This is the Glow Recipe Ultrafine Mist Watermelon Glow. It's got like this kind of cool packaging. It sits like this, but then you spray like this. It smells like watermelon. I don't really need that scent, to be honest. Hydrating and glowing radiance. Has anyone tried Glow Recipe? Let me know in the comments. And then I also picked up some stuff from Nars. So they have some eyeliners that have come out. These are the two colors that I picked up. The nude is Rue Bonaparte and the brown is called Mulholland Drive. I like to use the nude in my waterline to kind of brighten up my eyes. I don't like to use white there. I think it's too harsh. But you just put a little bit of nude there and then your eyes don't really look red. This mist is very glowy, I have to say. The liners are like super smooth, long wear. Nars has really good stuff. This brown is so pretty. Oh, it's really soft. Just FYI. So it's probably super easy to blend. Wow, I did that so well. This takes lots of practice, by the way. I've been doing this like for forever. And also sometimes it just doesn't work out. I don't know. That watermelon smell is lingering quite a bit. I'm very sensitive to smells. This isn't really blending. I think I waited too long. You have like a certain amount of time and then it will set. Anyways, gorgeous pencils. Love those. There's a ton of really good colors. There's also this kind of like burgundy color, and the global makeup artist for Nars was in town last week and she was doing a demonstration and she did the burgundy eyeliner on the bottom and it looked so gorgeous. Picked up some Nars lipsticks. Packaging is so pretty. I got Belle de Jour, which is like a sheer nude, which was actually the first lipstick that I ever bought. Isn't that cute? I got this sheer kind of peachy color. Let's see what this looks like. Ooh, that's very pretty. Okay, this other color that I got is called Schiap or Schiap. I think it's after Schiaparelli, who was a clothing designer, and this is kind of like her signature color. Oh, wow. I forgot how nice Nars lipsticks are. Look how gorgeous that is. It's kind of like a purple undertoned pink. And then I also got this really pretty nude color. This is the Honolulu Honey. It's a satin lip color. So all the lipsticks in red are actually the original 12 lipsticks that were like ever put out. I think he put out lipsticks first, Nars. But yeah, I really liked this color. It's kind of like peachy brownie nude. It's a really good nude color. And that's it. That's all we got. I hope that that was somewhat helpful. Again, let me know if you guys are into this type of video. And if you want to see more, are there any products that you want me to test or kind of give you my feedback on? So the great thing about Sephora is that, by the way, this is not paid by Sephora or anything, is that a few of those products that I didn't really like the Milk Makeup Rose Gold Highlighter and the Lilah B bronzer that was just slightly orange for me, I'm just gonna send back. So that's awesome. Oh, also, before I forget, these are Majuri hoop earrings. They're from their new Croissant collection. And then I'm also wearing a Majuri Croissant pink earring. Again, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Okay, bye.